So our NEIU logo was used for our background for this web page. Now I got the background added in there by going into the background pages here, and I simply uploaded the image that I saved to my desktop. Now you have other options by going into social media images, Shutterstock images. There is also a huge list of free images from Wix.com also. Now, since I put the NEIU logo on there, you'll also see that it's pretty faded and light back here. And I got that by going into our settings, and the opacity here, I just messed with the transparency, and you'll see that as I go up, it brings it darker, and that's what it originally looked like. Just bring that back down to 5 where it was before. And there's different scroll effects that made it bigger, that froze it. I just left it how it was. And then how the image is scaled. So I just put to fit so that it goes from one end to the other end here, but you can change it to tile to have multiple logos. Tile vertically, tile horizontally.